Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Spider-Man face. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas Spider-Man head, let's begin by making the hat. So we want to start right about here, and we're going to make, kind of at an angle, a very bumpy line. So let's start right about here. And we're just going to make a little kind of bumpy, wavy line. This is going to be the bottom part of the hat. We'll bring it right to about here. Now I'm going to continue some of these bumps going up. And I'll do the same thing over here, just kind of bring them up. Next, I'm going to connect these with another bumpy line. So we'll just bring this all the way down to about here. Now, starting up here, let's draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to curve it down to here. And then we'll make another little curved line right here with a second little line. Right here for the tail of the hat, we're going to bring a line down and up. And for the very end, I'm just going to make this little kind of bumpy circle shape. Next, let's make the face of Spider-Man. So the face is going to start here. It's going to come down, kind of to like a rounded point, and then it's going to come back up. So I'm going to bring this line down, kind of make that rounded point shape, and then we're going to bring it right up to about here. Next, let's work on the eyes. Let's begin up here, and I'm going to just make a line. It's going to come down, and that's going to kind of curve in just a little bit. So we're going to bring this down, and then we're just going to kind of curve it into here. Now, I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to do that same line, and we're going to run right into here. So we're going to leave some space, and we're going to bring this up, and just go right into the hat. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'll do the same thing. I want to keep it really close to the side of the face, and I'm going to bring this line down to about here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and connect it. And I'll do the same thing. We're going to bring this line up and then connect it. Now inside of here, I'm going to make pretty much this exact same shape. So I'm going to bring this line down to here. And we'll do the same thing. This time I'm going to bring this line up. Curve down. And then we'll curve this one down. We'll bring this line up. Same thing here, just bring this line up. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to make a little sad face shape. And then I'm going to make a little happy face shape for a little bit of a circular shape right in there. Now, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Starting here, I'm going to go out, and then I'm going to curve it in. Do the same thing here. We're just going to go out and then bring it in. I want to make another line that's going to come right to the eye. And then it's just going to come up here. And this one I'll just draw a little line that goes right to the eye. Next, I'll make a line that comes out on each side. And I'm going to bring them right here past the eye. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and then we're going to curve it down. Same thing here. We're going to go out and then curve it down. And we'll do one more. We're going to bring it down and then just curve it down. Same thing here, down and then just curve it down. Next, I'm just going to connect each one of these with a little line that goes across. We'll do the same thing here. Just bring these little lines and just connect them. We'll do another one here. Just bring this across, come out to here, and we'll do the same thing here. And then same thing here. We're going to bring this across. And then I'm going to make one more right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Christmas Spider-Man face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.